Today we're looking at a game changer for small kitchens and home bars, the Kawstar 26-pound countertop ice maker. Now there's a lot of portable ice makers out there, but this specific model has one feature that sets it apart from the rest, its external water tank. Most of these compact machines require you to awkwardly pour ice into a tiny reservoir under the ice basket, but the Kawstar decided to solve that headache. Let's start with the unboxing first. Inside the box, you get a quick start manual and the maintenance guide. One of the best things about this model, you can end up removing the ice tray and the external water tanks. Before first use, make sure you leave it out for at least a few hours for the refrigerant to settle. That's going to give you enough time to clean the ice tray, external tank, and the inside tank as well. Use some warm water and the mild detergent. Now this machine also does have a self-cleaning mode. This is definitely something I would recommend before first actual use. So after you leave it out for a few hours, end up putting some water in the tank, and then what you want to do is you're going to hold the on and off button for around 5 seconds. The lights will start flashing and the unit will begin its self-cleaning. After that process is completed, there's a little plug on the bottom, so all you have to do is just empty out that water. The digital display panel is very simple. You do have on and off. To turn it on, press it once. To turn it off, press it another time. Next to that, you have the select button where you can end up choosing small or the large ice cubes. Then we have a light button which turns on blue light. And next to that, we have few lights like small and large ice cubes, add water, and the ice full. Now this machine is a powerhouse for its size. It's rated to produce up to 26 pounds of ice in just 24 hours. To put that in perspective, a single batch of 8 bullet-shaped cubes is ready in just over 6 minutes. But the real star here is the external water tank. Because it sits on top, it is easily removable. You can refill it without stopping the machine or moving the ice basket. You can end up refilling it two different ways. That external top water tank, you can end up removing the whole thing and refilling it that way, or there's a little door on top and end up refilling it that way. This is what I usually do. You can put 1.2 liters of water on top. There's also internal tank which is right below the ice tray. That one uses 0.8 liters of water. To start making ice, plug it in, add the water, and press on. That's pretty much it. In around 6 to 8 minutes, you're gonna have a fresh batch of ice. Now this generates 8 bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 to 8 minutes. Over a 24-hour period, it can produce up to 26 pounds of ice, which is roughly equivalent to the 3 large store-bought bags. The ice is bullet-shaped, which is hollow in the middle. This design allows the ice to freeze faster and provide more surface area to chill drinks quickly. One thing to keep in mind, this is not a freezer. Like most portable units, the ice will eventually melt if left in the basket. The good thing about this machine, it's smart enough to recycle that melted water back into the tank to make new ice. The Kawstar portable ice maker with the external water tank is perfect for anyone who wants the speed and the convenience. It's an excellent upgrade for pretty much anybody. If you want the ice ready before you even finish setting the table, this is a solid choice.